Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you read my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. This feels like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain. Ooh. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. This love is blossoming between us in yellow and indigo. I'll hold it gently in my heart until it's taking over my body and soul. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지 yeah. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면 다시 사랑할 수 없을 것 같아.
Nighttime routine, and I feel so refreshed. But anyway, I just straightened up a little bit. I did get all this shit out my chair, whatever, put some clothes up, put some clothes in dirty clothes, all that little stuff. I was finna vacuum, but it's like late. I don't think it's that late, but it's late. I think it's like 11. I'm not sure, but I'll put the time down below. But I said I'm gonna do it in the morning because I gotta oil my scalp and flat iron my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna press it and flat iron it, but either or. So I really need to get my ends clipped, but I don't know. I'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna do something to my hair tomorrow. Just washed it. Yeah, y'all know the vibes. I'm finna roll and I'm finna go to sleep because I ain't got shit else to do. I'm finna watch the YouTube. I just dropped a video today, so make sure you go check it out. For those who support, thanks. For those who don't. But anyway, I'm finna edit another video right now, whatever. I'm working on one. So yeah. But them the motherfucking vibes for tonight. And y'all already know what time it is. The water's so good. H2O. All right, I'm out. Y'all, it is, I don't know why I'm always coming out talking about y'all. I'm finna get ready and run to, I was trying to go to Kroger's, but I don't know, I'm probably finna go to Walmart because I gotta pick up a couple items. Good to know, nigga got bread. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Walmart because I like their meat better than Kroger's. It'd be way fresher. So yeah, I'm finna go to Walmart, Wally World. I'm gonna hit y'all back. I hate burgers. See, look at this shit. For real? I think I found one. They got had buggy competition. I hope y'all can hear me. I got this air up high as hell. But yeah, we at 7-Eleven right now. Then we on our way to the house. I just came from Walmart. It was too packed in there to be trying to record anything. Like, that's why I try to go early morning when I know I want to record. Because, like, everybody, like, in the way and staring at you. Then in the way, like, pick one. Like, you gonna stare but move out my way, or you gonna stare and be in the way. Like, but anyway, we on our way to the house and I'm finna clean up my kitchen and then I'll show y'all what I got. So it's a bunch of shit. Yeah, but yeah, check back in with y'all in a minute. Oh, and then I just called up to this tobacco shop where I worked the one day before they fired me to see if I get my check, because y'all, it's under the table anyway. Like, the man wants you to have cash app under the table. So like, baby, it's 12:06. So just like you ain't take you nothing but a day to fire me, bitch, it don't take you nothing but a day to give me my cash. Period. But she said come up there at 5, so we're gonna go do that at 5. And she's, I guess, yeah, that's what she said, whatever. So I ain't mad at her because I know it ain't her fault, but the owner, they racist. Like, I've run to a lot of racist ass shit happening these couple of past days, and baby, that's why I stay in the house, because I don't got time. But I'm gonna get back at y'all though, for real this time, because I forgot to update y'all, because yeah, like, they playing with a girl money, like, give me my money, I don't got time, like. But yeah, real. I washed my hair last night, so I'm flat ironing it today once I get done cooking. I think I'm finna do a seafood boil. I ain't even get no noodles. Damn, that's okay. I get some when I do. Cause I was gonna make some shrimp pasta. I mean shrimp Alfredo or whatever, but and you know I like making my sauce homemade now, cause yeah, I've been put on game. But my last time, this shit was so good, baby. I ain't even recorded, take a picture, nothing, straight eat it. But that was my first time, so of course I didn't want to record it because I want to know what I was doing. And I did it, so now I know how to do it. So next time I will make sure to record. But I'm finna do me a seafood, shrimp. My seafood consists of, I like crabs, but I'm not finna be wasting my money on no crabs. Like Melvin always be getting the crabs or something, or like when I get 1,000 something stamps, then I get some crabs or whatever. But I'm about to do some shrimp, some corn, and some sausage, and call it a day. This shit gonna be hitting. I'm a sexy motherfucker. But this bitch. Sorry. But yeah, y'all know the vibes. On my way to the house. Where's the expiration date on this damn chunky salsa shit? That's what I'm saying. Oh, okay. Oh, March. Okay, 23rd. It's still some good. But
late nights, been on long flights, stayed on strange time. It's a strange time in my life. I took a drive home to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control, I let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost. Now baby, just go ghost. Hey. You call world, I let you in and 4 walls. Kept our secrets hidden, eating fruit so forbidden. Kept our secrets safe, cause the temptation, it felt like pure relation. I gave you my attention, but now it's hard to mention. I don't feel a spark when you say my name. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we'll wait to evolve now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close, so baby just go ghost. Ooh. Now baby just go ghost. Ooh. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close, too close. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close. So baby just go ghost.
I sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나 봐, 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. 난 좀 더 빨리 널 잊어야만 해. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나. 말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막 밤. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나지 않게. I sound really fine. 잊었다 생각했는데
So who have the check? I mean, it's cash, so who giving it to me? Is it you giving it to me?
No, I can't get into the safe. So I have to wait until they come to police tonight to open the safe to pay.
Oh, okay. So when the man come in.
Yeah, because I don't get paid until tonight.
Oh, okay, I got you. Okay, so the cash, so he going in safe. Okay, so okay, 'cause I didn't understand because I'm like, what? It's 12. Okay. I'm just coming up there. And you said the kid be up there to close the shop down. Okay, so yeah, okay, yeah.
Anything else now, especially I can
Right, cause like at the end of the day, he fired me. I shouldn't even have to be waiting this long. Like I should have my check today. Like he should have been up there earlier and put my shit in the register or whatever. Cause I don't work there no more. But, okay, so I'm gonna tell him I'll be up there at 12 to have my money. Okay. So she said he was gonna close the damn shop. I get that. I understand that more. First, I'm like, oh, yeah, what? Yeah. Like, he still should have been had my shit up there. play about my money. Okay, so we can do a quick grocery haul because I done put like some of the cold shit up. Well, mostly all the cold shit up. I just had forgot this chicken breast, the cheese, and these is some supposed to be like some sweet tomatoes. So yeah, it say natural sweet. Don't put them in the refrigerator. So them staying out. I got some coffee filters, and y'all know I love my iced coffee. So I said I was gonna get me some reusable straws. Well, here goes some. They was like $2 something, and they got the little thing in there to clean them too. So yeah, this was a go-to. I got my caramel for my iced coffee. I got some caramel pecan coffee. I wanted to try that. I already know it's gonna be good. I got this for my salads. Dried cherry, honey walnuts, some pecan pieces. Got some pickles, some baked beans, 2 things of corn, sweet corn, 2 things of green beans. I had bought these to snack on my way to the grocery store. I got some mixed garlic. That's I'm finna do with my seafood. My seafood boil I'm finna do is just gonna be shrimp, corn, and sausage. I got some orange sauce because I got some chicken tenders and I wanted to do some orange chicken, some more syrup, some sugar that I keep in the bag, and so I pour it in that container over there on the counter. Some lemons because I'm finna start drinking this coffee and lemon, and my best friend said that it make you lose weight, so we're gonna try that and see if that's hitting. Then I got some of these because I want to make me, you know, like a little Starbucks sandwich, but I ain't have to go to Starbucks type vibes. And then it's my bread, my favorite bread. So, and I already got bread in there too, but that's my favorite bread. Then I got these cereal, and these my favorite peanut butter, Crafty Country peanut butter. And I got this green tea because I want to start drinking some tea. So, let me see. Basically, that's how the freezer looking for right now. Some quick foods, chicken nuggets, chicken fingers, chicken wings, hamburger meat, corn, sweet corn on the cob that I'm finna cook with my seafood, brown turkey, some mini shrimp back there, some medium, some small shrimp in the back, and then these are medium size. I want to try this roasted garlic chicken bowl. I'm gonna try that. Then I just got some chicken tenders, some pork chops, and then 2 packs of Salisbury steak, which is my favorite. Corn. All the rest of the stuff I already had, so yeah. And then I cleaned out my refrigerator. It looks so fucking clean. I ain't even gonna lie, it is so beautiful. But yeah, I had got the juice. I got me some more iced coffee right there. Then of course I already got iced coffee too, some back there. I got that juice, strawberry lemonade, and then watermelon. Then I got some more milk, another thing of butter, because you know black people always run out of butter. Then I got some more eggs, and then here I already had this in there. It's still new. This is like where I just put like my sausage, bologna, turkey, ham, pepperoni, all that shit in there. And then of course, you know, I had to get some more salad and some more cheese. I'm gonna go my salad and cheese already too, but just restocked a little bit. And my favorite coffee creamer, vanilla caramel. Got my extra whipped cream. Yeah, I see the vibes, but that's all I got right now. I was trying to straighten this up. I think I did a good job. Whatever. But that's what I need to clean this side. Well, it really just look like I need to throw away them 2 ketchups, but it's a little bit in there, baby, and they're gonna have to use that. So y'all, that was a quick rundown of the stuff I got. And I actually liked that it was right there because it didn't take me all day. So it's not gonna take me all day to put this shit up. Like, I need somebody to reach the damn crawfish shit for me. Let me hurry up and put this up.